Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, the Airwrap Hub. Today I'm super excited to unlock and share with you the Shark Flexstyle hair styling and drying system. Let's dive in and see what the amazing tool has to offer us. Here's the box and you can see it's nicely packed with all the details we need to know about the product. Let's take a look at what's inside. The first thing we came across is a nice storage bag, making it easy to carry while traveling. I must say the material is so good. Some manuals, and now here we have the Shark Flexstyle hairstyling and drying system unit. Along with some hair clips, concentrator attachment, two sets of barrels for different types of curls, anti-frizz attachment, and round brush. The Shark Flexstyle hairstyling and drying system unit is sleek and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. It also has multiple heat and speed settings, making it suitable for all the hair types. The concentrator attachment is perfect for styling and drying specific sections of hair, while the round brush attachment is great for smoothing and adding shine to the hairs. The system uses advanced iconic technology to help reduce frizz and enhance shine. That's it for today's unboxing of the Shark Flexstyle hairstyling and drying system. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting contents.